Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm here to report the fire protection system. Under the rather broad heading of fire protection system, this module will examine the main components of alerting, compression, suppression, and containment feature and system. Consideration of this system is a natural adjunct to a discussion of hazard and building construction feature. The primary component we will examine are fire alarm system, fire detection and notification system, suppression agent and system, water distribution system, automatic sprinkler system, standpipe and hose system, and portable fire extinguishers. These people will cover a lot of basic material means to provide the novice expector a solid foundation on which to build. As was said in the earlier modules, it is only a beginning. Fire alarm system. Purpose of fire alarm system: a properly designed, installed, operated, and maintained fire alarm system can reduce the losses associated with an unwanted fire in any building. These losses including to property and, more important, human life. The primary motivation for fire alarm system requirements in building and fire codes is to provide early notification to building occupants so they can exit the building, and to notify the fire alarm in settings such as hospital. The fire alarm system provides a notification to staff so they can respond to the fire emergency as opposite to evacuation the building. And now we have the basic component of a fire alarm system. Fire alarm system generally have the following components. Number 1. Alarm initiating device circuits. These are the circuits which connect initiating devices such as smoke detectors, heat detectors, manual, foot station, and water flow alarm. Additionally, many systems monitor device important to the overall fire safety of the building. Also ties the memories into initiating circuits. These devices indicate an abnormal condition in a fire or lock condition. Number 2. Alarm indicating appliance circuits. Audible and visible alarm indicating appliance circuits to provide warning to the building occupant. Device which send a signal of premises also can be connected to these circuits. Number 3. Fire alarm control panel. The fire alarm control panel contains the electronic that supervise and monitor the fire alarm system, the initiating and indicating circuits, and connected directly into the panel. Number 4. Primary power supply. The primary electrical supply power the entire fire alarm system. Primary power for the fire alarm system
they can't put out, carve your name into those shining stars. He said go venture far beyond the shores, don't forsake this life of yours. I'll guide you home no matter where you are. One day my father, he told me, son, don't let it slip away. When I was just a kid I didn't say,
operating the entire system is considered as secondary power supply, and
he said one day
next of the reporter. Thank you for listening
if you will remember.
By the way, my name is Asraf
When I was just a
H.
child, these are the nights that never die. My father told me.
Okay, for heat detectors. Heat detectors are commonly used for detect fire. So they are not as prone to false alarm and are less expensive than smoke detectors. So sa smoke detector kasi minsan nagpo-false alarm yan. Pag di ba pag mainit, so nagpo-false alarm yung heat detectors. So and also heat detector may not be adequate in many instances. So sa heat detectors, nagagamit lang ito kapag may sunog or sobrang init ng temperature. So at saka sa heat detectors, which is it have limits their usefulness kasi heat lang ang na-detect niya. So at saka ang heat detectors are slower to respond to fire than our smoke detectors because heat detectors cannot respond to smoke. So ayun. Sa heat detector na slower siya mag-response kasi heat lang ang nadidetect kumpara sa ibang detector na dalawa o maraming nadidetect na elements. Di gaya ng smoke detector na pwedeng makadetect ng fire, makadetect ng smoke or humidity, depende sa anong nangyari doon sa loob. So kasi sa pag may sunog, di ba may ibang substance like carbon, kung kaya may sumabog, so may contains na mga ibang elements, kaya may ibang detectors may types of detectors na mga devices. So sa heat detectors na typically are best suited for detecting fast growing fire in small spaces. So sa heat detectors na mas magandang ginagamit sa mga small spaces like kunwari sa kwarto, yung mga mabilis masunog kasi sa heat detectors na mabilis siyang mag-response ng alarm pag nakadetect yan ng exact na temperature ng heat detector. So for more information sa heat detector na we have two types of heat detector, which is the fixed temperature and the rate of rise. Meaning ang pagkaiba ng dalawang yun sa yung detector na yun ay yung isa, yung fixed, nakadidetect lang yan pag naka-fix na yung i-detect ng heat or thermal. Kunwari 20 degree Celsius, so kunwari 20 degree, pag nag 20 degree yan, mag-alarm yan kumpara sa rate of rise. May category of category of thermal degree. So kunwari 20 degree, 30 degree, 40 degree, 60 degree. So advantage lang ng rate of rise na pwede mo siyang i-set. Kunwari giset mo siya ng 100 degree. So kahit kanong sunog yan sa bahay nyo, pag hindi nag 100 degree, hindi yan mag-alarm. So yun lang ang advantage niya. So magsiset ka ng sa gusto mong degree. So yun lang sa heat detector. Sa heat detector, cannot protect due to such anymore. So sa detector, hindi siya makaka-detect ng smoke like as effect, environmental effect as mist or high humidity. Hindi yan ma-detect ng heat detectors. So the next one is the smoke detectors. Sa smoke detectors na nakalagay dito, have small amount of radioactive materials. Meaning, yung devices na yun may small amount of radioactive material, which is yan yung nagdi-detect ng smoke sa device. So, pag uminter yung smoke sa device na yun, which is detection chamber or the ionization chamber na, dun mag-enter yung tinatawag nating smoke or mist or anything na like humidity. Pag uminter dyan yung elements na yan, saka magsisignal yung alarm, magsisignal yung smoke detector natin. So once ionized, the air particles become conductive, allowing a current flow through the detector circuitry. Smoke entering ionization chamber cause the reduce in the current flowing through the detector circuitry. So yun, pag pumasok na yung smoke sa ionization chamber na sa device na yun, which is contains of the small amount of radioactive material, na mag-active yan, mag-active, at saka mag-alarm ng mag-alarm siya ng may smoke or ibang nangyari. So sa advantage ng smoke detectors na pwedeng makadetect ng heat at saka makadetect ng fire, yung smoke detector. So di ba hindi maiwasan sa nasusunog na may usok. So syempre madidetect na natin yung may sunog kasi na may smoke, dahil nag-detect na yung smoke detector natin na may nasusunog. So through the help of these devices na malalaman natin yung mga nangyayaring may sunog or may nangyayari sa building na yun. So yun lang for the smoke detector.